All right. Good morning. This is John Harder, aka Wealth With, and I got into crypto in 2017. For the first 3 months, I did really, really well. Made tons of money. Okay. Maybe not tons, but I did make quite a few $1,000s within the first 3 months. And but then something happened. The coin that I had bought, the price dropped, and well, my profits shrunk as the coin dropped in price. Now, that is kind of what I'm here to talk to you about. And that is because same thing had happened to countless other people, thousands of people. And we have a remedy for that issue. And there is now a way to not having to lose your profits when the price drops. Okay, so all right, what I want to do is why don't I just show you a short presentation to explain to you what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so let me just share the screen here. All right, so here we are. Okay, do you want profit? Now, if you're watching this and if you've been struggling in the cryptocurrency market trying to gain a profit, then this will obviously be very helpful to you. Or if you're looking for a way to make money from home on the internet, again, this would be a very good answer for you to do that. So, one business, Python Signals, one business, two opportunities. Opportunity number one, crypto cycles and trends trading. Why crypto cycles and trends trading? Because it's the oldest and most reliable way to make money from crypto market. Can be done by anyone at any time with any amount of money. So, what is the objective? The objective is simple: buy low and sell high. Same as when somebody puts up a store. The objective is to buy low and sell high, and between the buying low and the selling high, whatever that price difference is your profit margin, right? So here is a powerful example of buying low and selling high. In 2017, coins that were bought at $100 of each of these 5 coins were sold in December at each of these prices. So $100 of Bitcoin was sold at $1,400. $100 worth of Ethereum was sold at $8,750. $100 worth of Litecoin was sold at $5,000. $100 worth of Monero was sold at $2,400. And $100 worth of Dash was sold at $8,890. Some pretty nice profits there. So as I was mentioning, that I got into crypto in 2017 and bought some coin, and made tremendous profits and then lost most of my profits. The million-dollar question is, when should I buy? When should I sell? Well, meet Marius Landman. He is our chief data analyst. So what is Marius? What's he doing? What's he all about? Well, Marius, he had developed an algorithm, a computerized program where you can put data in surrounding events and circumstances and all of the, putting in all of the data, and it would project a future outcome. So in 2015, he plugged that into the cryptocurrency market and has gained tremendous profits in crypto. And so now him and a few other guys have gotten together. They've put together Python signals and have made this available for the average person. The average person working, struggling to get by, being in debt, trying to pay the car off, trying to pay the house off, kind of thing. And what his objective is, or their objective is, to help people get out of debt and then prosper. That's their objective with the Python signals. Okay, so if you are here and you're seeing this and you've been working hard to try to get out of debt, well, maybe this is your answer, right? So he's done that for 30 plus years. He has been working for major corporations with his algorithm program, and with huge success for major companies like Shell, General Electric, companies like that. Some of them worldwide companies. And in 2018, from January till July, when the markets were rather very poor, some of the poorest times in the cryptocurrency market since it had taken off for the first time, he still preserved 518% profits. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, so let's have a look at what happened when Bitcoin in 2017, when Bitcoin went up to $20,000. Now the buzz was actually, there was quite a buzz at the time, because mainstream media was being used to get people excited and get people to buy cryptocurrencies. Basically buy Bitcoin, which this was when it was on its way up, and so Wall Street, using the news media, was telling people to buy coin, where Marius Landman was telling his subscribers, pull out your profits, sell, because the coin is going to drop back down, which it did. And most of his, or many of Marius's subscribers pulled out their profits at 19.5, shortly after which the coin dropped down with, like going over a cliff. And so that's, most of us, we lost our profits, whereas some of them, they retained it. Now, thinking about that scenario, being able, having through Python signals, being able to keep your profits, let the price drop, and matter of fact, the further it drops, the more money you make, because you're not in the market. And so then once it hits bottom, you can buy back in and let it go back up again. You see, that's how tremendous profits are made here. Question is, what does it take? What would it be worth to you to have access to this data so that you can intelligently trade and know when know when to buy and when to sell? Well, all it takes is to become a subscriber of Python Signals. And so here are the packages that are available. There's the silver package, which covers 30 days access. There's the gold package, which silver package at $50 covers 30 days access. The gold package at $150 pays or covers 90 days access. Then there's the platinum package at $250. It covers 180 days access. And there's the Galaxy 500, which at the moment gives you 15 months access until the 10th of January. It will give you 15 months access as opposed to just 12 months. All right, so the silver package pays 6 levels deep in the matrix at 24%. The gold pays 9 levels at 36%. The platinum pays 12 levels at 48%. The Galaxy pays 18 levels at 65.5%. All 4 packages pay 10% direct referral bonus. All right, so we'll talk about that a little bit more. How this works with the matrix and the 10% bonus just a little bit later. So what exactly do you get with these packages? Well, you get Marius's timely trading report for the top 40 cryptos, private Zoom meetings with Marius and team, email notifications. Yeah, and email notifications whenever there's available, like a new report uploaded in the in your Python Signals back office. Well, you get an email notification that there's a new report ready. Okay. All right, so that you don't miss anything, because sometimes it may need your attention pretty much right away in order not to lose money. All right, so opportunity number 2, the revenue share plan, a 5.1 million annual income roadmap. So the guidelines for the 5.1 million annual income roadmap. Now, this 5.1 million annual income roadmap talks about the matrix payout only, not the 10% direct referral bonus. That is over and above the matrix payout, okay? Now, at Python Signals, we don't have anything like that. You have to have, the one leg has to have a certain amount of volume, the other leg has to have this amount of volume, and this many direct referrals. We don't have any of that. The only requirement in order to be paid is that you have an active subscription. We have, just since, in 3 months, since Python Signals has launched, we already have a bunch of people that have never referred anybody, and they're making money just by having an active subscription, because people have because other people have referred people that went into their matrix, and when they buy the packages, then you get paid. It's very, very simple. All right, so you do not have to directly refer people yourself. You can get paid just with spillover. Although you make money faster if you do, okay? So all packages are purchased with Bitcoin, and also all payments are made in Bitcoin daily, all right? So anytime that your account reaches over the $50 threshold, you get paid, okay? It's very simple. All right, so let's take a look at the matrix a little bit more in detail here. So now the idea is that this annual income, its annual residual income, is that everybody has the Galaxy 500 package, and it's pretty much a guarantee that everybody will, because as you can see here, the silver package pays 6 levels. We talked about that a little bit. And so each one of these highlighted lines here is one of the packages. So we have the silver, then the gold, then the platinum, and then the Galaxy. So when a silver member, when there starts to be referrals that are reaching into, that are on the 7th, the 8th, 9th, and 10th levels and so on, well, he will start, that person will start missing out on commission a lot. And so that in order not to do that, he will upgrade, or she will upgrade to higher levels so that they can get paid instead of missing out on those commissions. And so that eventually happens all the way till they are a Galaxy member, because that way they don't miss out on any commissions on all 18 levels. So it's kind of a it's kind of an automated guarantee, actually, in that sense, that people will take the Galaxy 500, which is actually the cheaper package anyway. All right. Now, on the first column, these are the levels up to 18. Then we have the percentages per level, which are 543, 543, pretty much all the way down. Then we have the amount of subscriptions, which is 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, always doubles on every level. Then we have the amount of pay per level, and then finally the total matrix payout on each level. Okay, so if you were a silver member, your total matrix payout yearly residual income would be $2,250. If you were a gold member, that payout would jump to $18,250. For a platinum member, that would jump up to $146,250. For a Galaxy member, that turns out to be $5,102,410 annual residual income. And that's without any direct referral commissions. So if you refer a bunch of people yourself, that's an extra 10% on top of, for every one of those subscriptions, on top of this matrix payout, okay? So here is your answer if you're looking to get out of debt, okay? And the thing is, we already have plenty of people making money. Just about every person has already been making money in Python signals, okay? So there are, of course, you know, not maybe the latest people may not have made any yet, but many are the same as like I'm a fairly prime example. I made like $200 in the first day, and this happens quite a bit here, that people start making money right away. Okay. All right. So again, I wanna, you know, if you've seeing this and you say, "Ah, it's not for me," you know, I'm not here to convince you. I want to wish you all the best, whatever it is that you are doing. However, if you are looking to make money online and you're seeing this and you see the value of this opportunity to make money in both by trading in the cryptocurrency space as well as by referring people and or even just, you know, if you're not good at referring and, you know, and if you the people that refer you and the people above them, if they refer people, you will start making money and also get paid. As I already mentioned, we have plenty of people already that haven't referred anybody yet and are making money already. So this is entirely possible, but most people do have at least a few people they can tell, and you know, when you have something that you're excited about and you're making money with, well, your friends, and there's likely some people that are gonna be interested in what you're doing, you know. All right, so anyway, if you say, you know what, this is for me, that that matrix payout, yeah, I want to be part of that, then I want to welcome you and congratulate you for taking action right away. There are links below this video where you can create an account, and of course, when you do, I will personally contact you, welcome you, and send you information so that you can get plugged into our Facebook group, Telegram group, and so on, so you don't miss out on anything, on any actions that we do. Training, if you need help with anything personal, just contact me, and I will be happy to, you know, to help you with anything that you need help with, to try to figure out something. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.